welcome back to my day. So I am in the car at the garage waiting on my father because he's fixing his car, and we're now in my brother's car, my older brother's car. We're gonna go to Swan's graduation today, so
yeah, with that.
You know, nobody else see us stuff your face?
No.
Last night I knew I was gonna be on the road for the whole day, and probably most of the day I'm going to be waiting on my dad. So I downloaded VLC and I downloaded 2 series. One is a series I already watched before, Lighter and Princess. Phenomenal. And the next one, these are 2 Chinese series by the way, and the next one is Intense Love. I'm so excited for Swan to graduate. My baby's growing so big. One day I was wiping her diapers and now she's growing up, leaving high school and everything. I don't know if y'all heard, I don't know if I told you guys, but Swan, my dear Swan, is leaving to go to Canada permanently. Ooh, leaving me. Ooh. And if y'all didn't know, Swan is like 1 out of my 3 friends. So now I only have 2. Well, such is life. I guess I have to learn to grow and adjust without her. No, I won't. I'll be sending her reels from Jamaica the same way, and I'll be calling her, spamming her. I'll be doing the same exact stuff because, you know, I'll see you guys when I'm going to the bank or when I'm going to school. When I'm going somewhere that's not this garage. Words are not wording. Go. Is it just me, or do I believe that water has a different taste depending on what you're drinking out of, where you got the water from, and the temperature? Or is it just not normal? Because I believe water has taste depending on all 3 things. And most people don't even think that deep. They're just like, everywhere has different water. But I think based on the container the water is in, based on the temperature of the water, and based on where the water came from, all of this affects the taste of water. It's crazy. But maybe it's just me thinking too deep. See y'all later. For real, let's start now. I got a new card. Should I show you guys? In your imagination. I'm too broke to be giving y'all my banking info.
46.
40.
No, I don't.
Went to school. Guess I kind of sorted out what's going on at school. And then we went to the bank. Went some by party. Now we're going to head back to the mechanic's place. And then we're going to pick up my little brother.
Go.
We have arrived. Hello. We have arrived. We're headed upstairs. Ooh, black.
So we sit down upstairs so we can't get a good angle of her. The reversal, she map out everything.
It's a good thing because we wish we did that so we could have sit down on the side that she step on. But Fu not so smart to tell which side him sit down on. Fu defective. Now we're gonna head up. We have arrived. Mama Woolworth.
Well, I am indeed a firm believer that you cannot be in anything without God.
So let me just make sure that I don't go over my time. I want to be a very good steward of your time. Protect your inner circle. Protect who you allow to speak to you and speak into your life. That's it.
There she is, waiting to go.
So in store.
And to condo.
Karen Wellington.
Auntie Bar, the pot covered is what world is it?
Going out,